Hey everyone, and welcome to this explainer. I am absolutely pumped to have you here today because we are tackling something that affects literally almost everyone who shops, subscribes, or does any kind of business on the internet. We're talking about connecting a virtual MasterCard to PayPal. Now, if you're looking to finally take back control of your digital spending footprint, CardUpNow is the premier provider to help you do exactly that, and their insights are really the driving force behind our explainer today. So let's just dive right into this and see how you can completely elevate your online payment game. Listen, why on earth would you expose your real physical debit card to the Wild West of the internet? I mean, we've all been there, right? You hand over your main bank card numbers for a so-called free trial, only to get hit with a totally surprise charge weeks later. Every single time you type your primary numbers into a checkout page, you are putting your main funds at risk. Data breaches, shady merchants, accidental subscriptions, we have all dealt with it, or at the very least worried about it. Think of the virtual card as the ultimate life hack for secure shopping. It acts like a protective digital shield between the internet and your hard-earned cash. All right, so here is our digital playbook for today. We'll hit 1, the virtual card advantage, 2, capabilities and clear limitations, 3, the 6 steps to link, 4, troubleshooting common problems, and finally 5, staying secure online. Okay, jumping right into section 1, the virtual card advantage. So what is it? A virtual MasterCard is a digital payment method that behaves exactly like a regular physical card, but its absolute superpower is separation. It keeps your online spending completely isolated from your main bank accounts. And what does that actually mean for you? Well, it means incredibly fast setup, no waiting around for the mail to arrive. It means way safer transactions because you're not exposing your primary bank account at all. And it gives you quick access to international payments worldwide, as long as your card has a balance. You get all the utility of a standard MasterCard, zero risk to your primary funds. It's a total win-win. Moving right along to section 2, capabilities and clear limitations. Once you go ahead and link a virtual MasterCard to PayPal, you unlock incredible flexibility across thousands of platforms. You can absolutely use it to make everyday purchases, pay merchants, subscribe to digital services, and even easily verify your PayPal account. It functions much like a standard debit card. But let's talk limitations for a second just to set the record straight. You generally cannot withdraw PayPal funds back onto your virtual or prepaid card. PayPal usually limits withdrawals to supported bank accounts or specific eligible physical debit cards. Also, while virtual cards are amazing, some issuers might block certain recurring subscriptions or hold extra checks for ongoing billing. By knowing these limits up front, you can perfectly tailor this setup for what it does best: extremely safe, controlled outbound spending. All right, let's get into the tactical stuff. Section 3, 6 steps to link. But wait, before you even think about opening PayPal, you need 4 essential things ready to go. First, an active virtual card. Second, a small balance on that card. PayPal is going to do a tiny test charge, so it literally cannot be sitting at 0. Third, your exact correct billing address. And fourth, you absolutely must have access to your card issuer's dashboard right now because that is exactly where the secret verification code is going to appear. Got all 4? Awesome. Let's break this down step by step. Step 1, log into PayPal and open your wallet to add a new card. Step 2, enter your details. That's your 16-digit virtual MasterCard number, the expiry date, CVV, and that billing address. Make sure everything matches perfectly. Step 3, wait for the charge. PayPal pushes a small temporary charge over to your card. Step 4, find the code. Jump over to your virtual card dashboard, look at the pending transaction from PayPal, and grab the 4-digit code in the description. Step 5, confirm. Take that code straight back to PayPal, type it in, and boom, your card is active. The test charge even gets refunded. And finally, step 6, make a quick small test payment just to celebrate and ensure everything is running smoothly. Now, a quick reality check on the timeline here. That temporary charge might pop up instantly as pending on your issuer's dashboard. But you know how banking technology is? Sometimes it likes to take its sweet time, and it can actually take 2 to 3 business days to show that 4-digit code. So if you don't see it in 3 seconds, do not freak out, just give it a little time. Whenever it does show up, make sure you enter the latest code that PayPal issued. Let's pivot to section 4, troubleshooting common problems. Let's completely demystify the most common errors people run into. First up, a declined card. Usually, the culprit here is super simple. Either your billing address in PayPal doesn't perfectly match the one on your virtual card, like down to the spelling and the zip code, or you literally just have a 0 balance, meaning PayPal's test charge failed. Fix it by double-checking the address and loading a few bucks. Second problem, the missing code. The charge went through, but you can't see the 4 digits anywhere. The fix? You actually need a card provider that displays pending transaction descriptions clearly. If your dashboard hides it, you're pretty much stuck. Third problem, a subscription fails. Like we mentioned earlier, not all virtual cards support recurring authorizations. The fix here is to verify with your specific card issuer to see if they actually allow ongoing billing. And wrapping up with Section 5, staying secure online. Look, your virtual card is safe by design, but your daily habits are what make it truly bulletproof. Let's rapid fire some solid advice here. First, check your virtual card dashboard often so you can spot anything weird early on. Next, keep those balances low. Only load exactly what you need for upcoming payments. That way, if a card ever is somehow compromised, your exposure is essentially zero. Also, remove any unrecognized cards from PayPal immediately to stop extra attempts. Never, ever share screenshots of your virtual card on unsecured messaging apps. You gotta treat it like a physical piece of plastic sitting in your real wallet. And lastly, turn on those security notifications from both PayPal and your card issuer so your phone literally pings you the exact second a transaction happens. So, are you ready to take full control of your digital spending? We've just seen how a virtual MasterCard creates a highly effective firewall between the internet and your primary bank account. We walked through the exact step-by-step process to link it to PayPal and exactly how to troubleshoot the little bumps along the way. If you want to stop payment failures, lock down your privacy, and enjoy extremely fast global transactions, definitely visit CardUpNow.com to launch your verified virtual MasterCard instantly. Seriously, why leave your digital privacy to chance when total control is just a few clicks away? Thanks so much for hanging out with me on this explainer, and stay secure out there.